Hi guys, if you want to know how I made this beautiful arrangement, please stick around and I will show you how. Hello, welcome to our channel FemMNY. If you want to know how to make balloon design or balloon decoration, this is the perfect channel for you. We have lots of balloon video tutorials for you to choose from. Please subscribe to our channel FemMNY if you want to learn more. So for today's video, I'll be making an organic balloon setup for Halloween. So with that said, let's start with our balloon. So our balloon here, they're all black, and I'm using 12 inches balloon and 10. So there's no particular size on how you inflate your balloon since this is organic garland. So let's inflate this. So I'll make sure this is nice and round. Don't make it like this, like an oblong. So I like it nice and round. Release some air. And then pull tight. Tie this together. Just like that. And then put this together. 1, 2. Just like that. We have our quad. I already inflate most of them. I also got this. So you make them all like this, and then we'll connect this into a string. So you can either use your curling ribbon or fishing line. So for this particular video, I'm just gonna use the curling ribbon so you'll be able to see instead of the clear fishing line. Okay, you can use either or. Alright, so we have our curling ribbon. So we'll attach this all the way to the ceiling. And then we have our first quad. And then lasso. Just like that. So just like that, keep attaching your quads. So I want it more this way, and then it's on the floor like that. Alright, so we have this balloon weight. If you want to know how to make this balloon weight, we have a different video tutorial on how to make this one. But there, please check that out if you're new to this channel. That's how you make this balloon weight. So there's 2 balloons here, 5 inches balloons filled with water. Okay, I'll put this right on the bottom. So just grab one of your balloon end and connect or tie them on together. Tie it like that. Now that is your balloon weight. It'll stay in place. Arrange this. Alright, so we'll also add our 24 inches balloons. So as you know, I'd like to make them nice and round. Release some air. There we have our 24 inches balloon, and we also have our rubber band. Tie it right there, and we can attach this to our garland. Do the same thing on the other balloon. So I'll be using balloon end, tie balloon end to balloon end. So what I did here is like using the balloon end here and one of the balloon end of your balloon from the garland. Alright, so just like that guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make our balloon ghost. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to make balloon ghost. So I have here is 12 inches white balloon and our 260 balloon. If you can use white balloon 260, that'll be great. Since I'm out, I'm using this one today. Okay, stretch and then inflate your 12 inches balloon. Just a stretch. Okay, release the air. Fold it like this. Use your balloon stick. Push it in, right there. Make sure you get the balloon stick out. So this time we'll inflate our balloon while holding your 260 on the side. Okay. Hold them like this. Hold them in place. And use this. Put it in your 260 balloon nozzle. Like that. Then hold them both together. Your 260 balloon and the white balloon nozzle. And then inflate your 260 balloon. Hold this in place. Pull your 260 balloon. Pull the end. Nice and tight. Tie this. Tie your 260 balloon. After I do that, release the air. You can shape them any shape you'd like. Okay. So now I have my marker, and then we just have to draw. You just have to draw the eyes. And there goes your ghost. So I already made a lot of ghosts right here, so we'll just attach this to our garland. I've got garland, so I have the tail right here. Just attach it anywhere you like. Alright, and this is finally done. I hope you like this. This is perfect for Halloween decoration. I hope you like this. And please don't forget to subscribe. This is Feminine Wine. We will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye. If you want to please subscribe and like, okay?